99% of entrepreneurs miss this one secret while creating content to promote their business, and that is talking to the camera. Now, let me explain. This is your client's desired result, and this is their present situation. Now, what your client wants is to get to this side of the road. They are here frustrated, and you're here with their desired result. So, how are you going to show them that you have what they're looking for? Now, that's where your content comes in. So, your content is like a bridge. So, what is bridging this gap between where they are and where they would love to be is your content. In order for you to bridge this gap, that means you need to talk to them as if you are just there with them, or as if you're talking to a friend. Now, the first thing you should consider while creating content to promote your business is that you must stop talking to the internet. So, this guy here, he doesn't come online to start looking for ads or promotions to watch. He's there with a frustration, maybe to get entertained, to get one value, or to learn how to do one thing or the other, or just to look for a solution to his or her problem. What they're going to look for is your content. And mind you, you're not the only person posting about that type of business. There are other people, there are other creators also creating videos, also putting out posts there for this same guy. So how are you going to stand out is how you communicate your message through your content. You're going to talk to this person as if you're talking to a real friend, not talking to the internet, because the internet here, there are a lot of noise, different distraction. So you're just going to position your content to be a bridge between where they are and where they would love to be. So in order for you to stop talking to the internet and convey your message in such a way that feels as if you're talking to this person direct, you need to practice. Now, you can do a 2 to 3 session of practice before you create your video or before you film. That is going to help you to sound more confident and not just rambling to the camera and expecting that, oh, maybe they will like it. So you need to rehearse ahead of time and practice what you're going to say, because that's going to help you know that, oh, if there's something you need to change, then you change it before you actually film. Because when you're practicing, you're going to see some mistakes or maybe some errors that need to adjust or things you need to adjust. Another thing is for you to focus on helping this person, because they are frustrated with their problem, so they need help. That's why they came online, and that is basically what your content is here, which is like a bridge that is going to bridge from where they are to where they love to be. So that's where your content comes in. So when you're trying to help your clients get from where they are to where they love to be, that means you need to talk to them directly. So what this means is that you're going to ignore virality for now, because the internet is wide. So if you're trying to get other people, like there are other people here, so if you're trying to talk to them, it's going to be a noise instead of signal. Because in order for you to get this guy, you need to ignore all this noise and focus on this guy, because there are people with 1 million views, but they don't even make a sale. So if you can do those 4 things, if you stop talking to the internet, you practice before you create your videos, and you focus on helping him, then ignore virality and focus on helping this guy, then you're going to be at a much better place and you become unstoppable.